Hi everybody, this is Cup Kitty. I know it has been a while since I've done my last video. I have been very busy working, and last Tuesday I had an episode with a kidney stone for the very first time in my life. It hurt a lot. Whoever has kidney cramps know what I'm talking about. And so I went to the hospital to get medicines and so on. And maybe that's why I look so pale from all the pain I've gone through. But it's over now, so I'm okay. The stone went out and I'm doing fine now. So I had to share this with you. Last Saturday I was actually in my room just hanging out, and then I saw a bird. I'm sorry, a plane just passed. I saw a bird in the tree on my backyard eating some seeds, and I remembered Urgelt wanted me to show a little bit about the birds here in Brazil. And this never happens really. It's really rare to see a bird behaving like that in the middle of the city. So I just grabbed the camera as fast as I could, and then I shot this. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.